Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the Coming Soon page from Shopify. Start by opening Shopify and logging into your account. Once logged in, go to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. Next, click on Store Details to ensure your store name and other details are correct. Once confirmed, close the Store Details section and return to the main menu. Now, go to Online Store on the left-hand side and click on Preferences. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page until you see the Password Protection section. If this feature is enabled, it restricts access to your site and shows a Coming Soon message to visitors without the password. To remove the Coming Soon page, uncheck the option for enabling password protection. Once done, click the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Your store will now be accessible to the public, and visitors will no longer see the Coming Soon page. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.